Welcome to 89 Cedar View Circle in the Cypress Ridge community. The house has no home across the street, so beautiful common ground space. Come take a look inside. This is a 4-bedroom house. LVP floors when you walk in. Soon as you enter the home, if you looked straight, you would see the lagoon views and wooded views. 2 bedrooms at the front of the house with a full bath in between. Walking down the hall to the left is the laundry room, another bedroom. Kitchen with an open floor plan to the dining area and living room, white and trending cabinets, gas stove, stainless steel appliances, and granite counters. From the kitchen, you also have this beautiful view. Everything is on one level here, so the owner's suite tucked at the back of the house has 2 closets, 1 large walk-in. This would be my favorite part of the house. Screened lanai, tranquil views, an extended paver patio, it is super peaceful back here. You can easily add in a fence. Thank you for watching this video tour. If you have any interest in this property and would like additional information, please give me a call or text at 732-298-4194, or you can email me at tanyashodine@kw.com.